change, yeah. My emotions are valid, but the goal is not to be triggered every time. Never mind, it's just life. It's okay for my sanity to choose perfect peace, and I'll forever and always be here, present. I am enough as I am. I am fully equipped. Even when the tide and the currents start to shift, I am adaptable. I am adaptable. Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. It's safe for me to be grounded in the present. The balance between problem solving and the universe working itself out. All that I have is all that I need, but to actualize it I can't doubt, no doubt. My emotions are valid, but the goal is not to be triggered every time. Never mind, it's just life. It's okay for my sanity. I choose peace, and I'll forever and always be here, present. I am enough as I am. I am fully equipped. Even when the tide and the currents start to shift, I am adaptable. I am adaptable. Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. It's safe for me to be grounded in the present. I honor God when I honor me. I honor God when I honor you. You honor God when you honor me. If you don't honor God, how could you honor me? Honor me.
Ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with being modest. You a move body giving interviews, I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you new and improved, but you ain't even flexing. And you ain't gotta try too hard. Number one fan inside your plug. Got me think about inside the moss. Words cut deep, it's like a sword. Making me better, you hotter than pepper. You with a big stepper who chasing the cheddar. All of these women, they not on your level. You like a mix of business and pleasure. You a move body giving interviews. I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover warm, different vibe, you new and improved, but you ain't even flexing. 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 But you ain't even flexing.
Thank you. Pick that up. Pick that up right there. No.
I will never leave you in the pouring rain. No matter what we go through, love will still remain. So do what you want, baby. You and me in the sun. Know that I still be here when the day is done. So come a little bit closer, and I'll tell you what I feel inside. You know I'm gonna wait on you. I'm gonna wait on you.
Excuse me.
You know I'm gonna wait on you. Yes, I'm gonna wait on you. No one's gonna love you like I do.
Excuse me.
So glad that I found you. You're the missing piece, last piece of the puzzle. I'm finally at ease. So when times are rough and the promises we made just seem so hollow and weak, and we're about to break, we have to remind ourselves, 'cause we know how we feel inside. You know I'm gonna wait on you. Ain't over till it's over. I'm gonna wait on you. I'm gonna love it till it's gone. You know I'm gonna wait on you. And the weight that's on your shoulder, I'm gonna carry that for you. So hear me when I say, no one's gonna love you like I do. I'm gonna wait on you. I'm gonna wait on you. I'm gonna wait on you. You know I'm gonna wait on you. And the weight that's on your shoulder, yes, I'm gonna carry that for you. So hear me when I say, no one's gonna love you like I do.
What? You gonna grab that from me? Let me see. Thank you, baby. It's gotta go up here though.
Yeah. Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one in the moment. So what is it gonna be? Baby,
Close it for me.
got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like the man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
Okay, bro. No.
Can't even handle it.
Why is this not down, bro?
Pour some of it out.
I'm gonna pour it out.
Pour whatever you finna pour in your cup.
I don't want the dirty water getting in my
Go
cup.
in there. You can't.
Can't.
You literally can't. I've done it before.
It's literally going in slowly.
Literally not. It's literally coming from the bottom. The shit is blocked off.
Nigga, how is it coming from the bottom whenever it hadn't even
Watch.
reached yet? Watch it. It's trickling in. Trickle, 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 trickle.
Exactly.
It's trickling in.
No, yeah.
Yes, it is. I'm watching it. Okay, stop.
I'm trickling this over.
What, baby?
I don't know where this is.
I don't know where this goes. Babe, if you don't, this is for me. You better eat your damn sandwich.
I could stare at you for 100 years and I never blink at it. You were beautiful, just like a flower. I could walk with you for 1,000,000 miles.
the other edge piece.
This ain't for me. That was for your son.
He ain't gonna eat that either.
Sloppy joe.
He can eat a sandwich. And they ate an hour ago. Bro.
What you feel, I feel. Together we can land. I don't care the seasons change. 'Cause darling, I'll stay right here with you. Every night and every day. 'Cause darling, there's nothing in this world I'd rather do. Never been this close to heaven. Never felt something just like this. Ecstasy. Never been this close to heaven. I don't know if this is real or fantasy.
Here's a car.
Stop it.
Seriously, dude.
I don't know if this is real or fantasy, or somewhere in between. Somewhere in between. Oh yeah.
Oh, you can be quiet. Elijah. Right. Literally, stop talking to me, bro. No. If you look in the mirror, that's a lie. Oh, so what? It's not sleep. Y'all, this man just slid this box in here.
Okay.
He then snuck up in here, slid this in here, and walked away. I was trying to go ahead and download the app. Easy setup. Open the box and jump right into VR. No PC console, wires, or external sensors needed. It says it's 128 gigabytes, baby. I need to see that on every device I have. Honey boo boo child. Okay. MapQuest 2. I hope y'all can see me because last time I unboxed something, y'all couldn't see nothing I was doing and the thing died. And the thing died. It says pull out them little tabs. Glasses spacer. Move lenses left or right to find clearest view. My husband always just getting something. Like that boy so... Okay, simple enough. Just like that, I got my little cover on. Did you just die on me, bro?
But do you really know about trust? It could hurt my love, y'all, but you really got the choice, but have some. We all fall down, never getting used to feel numb. It's getting hard to overcome some knowledge to be free from this gun. One shot and I'm down. Oh, I know that all is my fault. Never learn from it all, like a fastball in motion. I'm hoping, I thought that we had it all. Now I'm broken and scarred, and I'm scared of it all. No joking. Oh, no joking. Oh, I thought that we had it all. Now I'm broken and scarred.
Let me put my little safety straps on. Hold up. I'm so excited. I need to go close my I'm finna close my door. I ain't even say goodnight. Yes, we English. We speak of the English. Okay, ooh, that was bad. Let me sign out of work. I just finished what I was trying to do. And then I was like, now let's get on this thing over here. Good night. Toodaloo. I don't remember the password. Can I write it down? It's asking me for the Wi-Fi, y'all. Hold on. Let's go. It's giving me a little startup video. Use only indoors. Set a guardian boundary. I was gonna move out to the living room, but then I was like, I can do that when I get started. I think so far I downloaded I thought you was updating earlier. Okay, was doing an update. It says it could take several minutes. It's 20%. Downloading update 1 of 2. 21, 22%, 23%, 24%. But yeah, okay. But I like how it shows me. How cool. It's like touch activated, right? Or is it like the sensor? No, it's touch. So it shows you your remote. And then it also shows you like the buttons. Because I am the type to be like, wait, what's the button again? But yeah, when you touch the buttons, it shows you that you're touching them. Well, it only does it for the X, Y, B, A. And for the joystick. But it doesn't do it for the menu button or the Oculus button. But that's cool. That's cool. Then it shows you like the little laser. Do, 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 do. Or where your remote is pointing. I'm gonna have so much fun. I done downloaded Netflix, okay? I done downloaded, like I said, I downloaded the Meta Horizon, which is I guess just like the Facebook virtual world, I don't know. And then I downloaded like a gym game. So you could play basketball, you could play baseball. I'm sure you could do all these other type of things. But yeah, it's like the virtual version of backyard. I don't know. But yeah, even when you put it down, it's like shows you where you put it down at, which is crazy to me. It's crazy to me. Like if I put it down, that's a bag of chips. Hopefully y'all can see me. Child, that is so embarrassing. If I put it down over here, I know where to go based on where I am. Here's my remote. Here's my remote. See how seamless I just picked it up? You probably can't see that, but I picked it up real seamless like. But 63%. I'm gonna go on and just like take this off for now and pause the video. Ooh. Yeah, I'm finna go ahead and just sit around. Make sure I'm not looking crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and sit around in my living room so that I can have the space to do something. Because have I worked out today? No. But what I had planned to do. Oh, I'm still recording, so I can keep my light on. What I planned to do was go over to my girl Unglamorous Glow and go to the video I saved under workouts and do her, I think it was a 10-minute dance cardio. Now, if you've been here, you know I don't do dance cardios, okay? But I support my gal, so that's what I was planning to do. But baby, when my husband slid this up in the door, I knew exactly what I was going to do. So I'm going to gather my things and we finna do this thing, okay?
She like me, she might be what I need. She get spicy, want taste test, come by me, yeah. I'm icy, way too icy. I get paper, on big screen, I'm Spike Lee. I'm vibey, just vibey. Too wavy, I could tell they wanna get like me, yeah. I'm vibey, just vibey. Too wavy, come and get like me. I'm never living a bit in a timid straight shooter. I'm dumping the clip that I'm dipping. Hitting the mark with the waviest art. I rage with my heart and it's right when my wrist is. Cut up the pay with the real ones. I see a few million. We want it, we need it, let's get it. Long live the niggas that get it and live how they say it. The sentence, we really the trillest. Please don't pretend with that love that you sending this. If you like me, I call me the Bennett. Somebody tell God forgive me, I'm sinning. I think that she know, but he got me, I'm winning. Clout is a dangerous drug and your phone is the plug. Everybody on that shit pretending. So many lost and they chasing what's trending. Well, yeah, let's forget it, I'm back to my sis. I'm only helping a man in the mirror. From here on, I'm open, I'm focused. Okay, I lied if you riding, I'm riding. I put on the folks and trusted me. Get with it, come with me. I don't, but it's love, you stuck with me. I'm coming in clutch for me. Get with it, they get lost, ain't nobody touching me, yeah. She like me, she might be what I need. She get spicy, want taste test, come by me, yeah. I'm icy, way too icy. I get paper, on big screen, I'm Spike Lee.